Light don't work. This fan has 6 speeds, DC motor, and is electrically reversible. Started off on speed number 1, which is low. Very good low. Alright, here's speed 2. This is the second lowest speed. And I gotta say, this thing gets up to speed very, very fast. Here's speed 3, which I consider this to be like a more of a medium low, not really a medium if you ask me. Starting to move the air around quite a bit. Alright, here's speed 4. This is what I consider to be more of a medium speed. And on this medium speed, this thing really pumps the air. The finish looks like kind of like a weathered copper, but I'm not sure too well. But very, very unique finish, depending on how the light hits it. This thing really moves the air. And here's speed 5, medium high. On the speed, it really flies. Ready? All right. Now the high speed. And speaking of fact, this fan actually does move a whole ton of air. Very impressive. I didn't think it would be this powerful. But Kichler really tends to surprise me too. Let me get closer and show the airflow of the fan. We're going to reverse this fan. Since it's a DC motor, it's going to take a while to get up to speed. This fan really moves a ton of air and really surprises me for a modern day fan. See, it does that stutter every time when you reverse a DC motor fan. For whatever reason. I'm going to reverse it back, put it back to forward. And there you have it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Lots more to come.